Good morning. We left Herat. This morning at about 8:30. It's now about 1 o'clock. We've done only 80 kilometers. Yeah, it's very difficult. It's very slow. We don't do much more than 25 kilometers per hour, and it's very tiring. For today, we still got to go another 80 k's. That's where we're supposed to sleep. Yeah, it's tiring. I'm too old for that. Good morning from the heart of Afghanistan. This is a very remote area. Not many people live around here because it's all mountain. To get here from Herat, it took us 2 days and it's about 260 kilometers. But it's all off-road and difficult off-road with a lot of rocks, river crossing, sand, going over passes, so it's you go very slowly. And this is only halfway because we still have about 300 kilometers to get to Bamyan, and then another 150 kilometers to get to Kabul, which is where we're heading now. So probably another 3-4 days. So why coming here? Well, you come here to see the beautiful minaret gem. Here it is. This minaret was built 1,000 years ago. It's starting to lean a little bit because it has never been reconstructed. Probably because it's so difficult to access it. It is protected by UNESCO. It's a World Heritage and probably the most iconic cultural building of Afghanistan. The thing is, in order to get money to rebuild it, the Afghanistan don't have it. They would love to have tourists to come and visit it, but because it's so hard to get to, there is no airport. So you are facing minimum 2 days off-road in a car, bumpy ride for 2 days, and then 2 days back, or to Herat or to Kabul. So not many people come and visit it. If you see the cable across the river, there is a flying fox to get across. So when we arrived yesterday, the Taliban took us across on that flying fox, to get close to the minaret. When I was going across, I said, "Oh my God! If I fall in the water, well, I'm not that good of a swimmer, so I would have been in real trouble." You can see the Taliban flag, which is also the new Afghan flag, flying high. It is surprising that the minaret has survived all the wars this country has suffered, and is probably due to its isolated location. I really feel privileged to have been here and to have seen it, because I don't think many people have seen it. Have you? But you know, to see it, you have to pay the high price. I'm talking about suffer for the road. Yeah. I will show you where we spent the night. Not in that building, but in that building you see far away. It's well, it's been built as a hotel. It's not finished, but they were nice enough to let us stay inside. I mean, there is no electricity, no water, nothing. But you know, they were. I mean, it saved us from putting the tent up, because there is no hotel around. You know, you have to travel another day, you know, one way or the other to find a hotel. So yeah, it's pretty handy to have stayed in there. It's a nice building, but I can't see getting many tourists in it. So yeah, not sure. So this is where we stayed last night. Is my mattress, my stuff. So it's just easier than putting the tent up. The temperature is quite cool. So yeah, and we have a beautiful view from the window. So nice to wake up with a view like that. Very nice. Well, the bikes have suffered a little bit. I mean, no damage, and. Yeah, I'm very happy with the CF motor. I mean, so far so good. I mean, I'm only halfway. Eve was his. Eve is a lighter bike, so it's a tiny bit easier for him. But having said that, he did say to me yesterday that I mean, he's an expert in off-riding. I'm not, but he's done races in Africa. You know, he's done. No, he is very talented rider, but he did say to me that what we did yesterday was really hardcore off-riding, and he had enough. He said at the end, he said, "I've had it. I can't do anymore." You know, so I'm quite happy to have been able to keep up with him. And he even said to me that he was surprised how I did manage it, not falling off. You know, so made me very proud. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hello. Teşekkür. Teşekkür.
Oh, il fait.
Ah oui, il a une belle toison lui. Hein.
Ouais.
Le vaccin, il est traité, tu vois. Oui, il est vacciné. Il est vacciné.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Is he dead or?
Oh,
no. Oh no, they killed him. Oh no.
Mal.
Je raakt is gedaan, ja.
That's not funny.
Dan kan ik hier.
Ils ont coupé la gorge.
Daar kom ik hier. Kom eens zo.
Oh no.
Ah, mais il est mort.
Oui.
Die soort misschien. Voor moet je al ook een misschien.
Ah oui, donc il se débat pas. Ça.
Ja, kan voor die soort.
Non.
Je mis bommen. How's worship?
Duvar bir.
That's his last trip.
Okay.
Bye. Another iconic place to visit in Afghanistan is the lake Amir. Absolutely magnificent. You can see it behind me. The mountain behind it are very beautiful. Obviously, in winter it's all covered with snow. It gets very cold in winter. I mean, it has become a very touristy place for Afghan and a little bit of tourists from other part of the world, but not many. I would expect in a few years' time, now that Afghanistan is happening more to the tourists around the world, we will have more tourists coming here. Well, it's just about the end of our raid across Afghanistan through the middle road, the dirt road. It was 600 kilometers of very tough terrain, sometime. Obviously, when I was filming the good part, the easy part. When it's difficult, technical, I don't film because I have to concentrate on riding, so I don't really have it on camera. But I can admit it was physical for me. Yeah. 2 days ago, we stopped in the evening in a hotel, and for some reason I started to shake, trembling with fever for about 2 hours. I think it was because I was very tired, and then I had diarrhea, and I was not well. So, but since that, I'm feeling better. So our next stop is Bamyan, which is not far from here. It's about another 60 kilometers. We've got a little bit more off-road to do, and then it will be a sealed road all the way to Kabul. Anyway, this is from Amir. Beautiful spot. Hello. Good.
Where are you from?
How are you?
English? I couldn't find you.
You did not recognize me.
I was there.
You did not recognize me.
What?
You did not recognize me.
I couldn't get.
You did not recognize me.
Yesterday I was talking with you.
Yeah.
I know you.
Yeah.
It's GoPro.
Yeah. Filming a little bit.
How are you?
Sorry?
Where from?
From Australia.
Spanish.
Hello, the sheep.
Zıvını diyor ki bu falan ki.
Salam alaikum. Hey. Okay, so I thought I would finish this video with the Buddha that was destroyed by the Taliban. And there is two of them. There is another one a little bit further. I am sure that now, because it's a very touristy spot for the Afghan and also for tourists from around the world. There's not many, but so I'm sure the Taliban regrets to have destroyed the Buddhas, because it would have been so good for them. So yeah, so now that's the end of the central road. Now it's bitumen up to Kabul, not far from here. Kabul is about 200 kilometers, and we'll have a rest in Kabul, and then we'll go further into toward Pakistan. So that's the end of the video, and I will talk to you later on. Bye.